Girl, go ahead and gather them coins because this wig is the one you want for spring and summer. If you want versatility, all scalp, let's get into this new cap. Before we start, I hope you guys have been having a wonderful week. Let's get into the weekend. Started off right with this particular wig from PrettyLuxHair. The link will be below. This is a beautiful water wave texture, okay? And this one is in 180%. Hopefully they add that option by the time you guys get the link, but it also comes in 150%. So let's talk about this cap construction. I've been wanting this in a wig for the longest. This is their upgraded full lace wig, all lace, no mesh center, okay? It also comes with the adjustable invisible strap in the back. They got rid of the old strap on this cap so that you can get that full parting. So you don't have to worry about the mesh in the center, and you don't have to worry about them bulky straps in the back. You can just use this elastic band and tighten it up. It also comes with combs just in case you want to go glueless, and you can also wear glue with this wig if you want to. Trust me when I say this cap is exclusive. This is the only company giving you a full lace with the Invisi-Strap in the back and no mesh center. So girl, if you want this, this is where you get it from. So let me show you how to install. Alright, so with this wig you can get it in natural black or natural brown, and it does come with a pre-plucked hairline. As you can see, the density is beautiful, okay? It's gorgeous from root to tip. Alright, so if you are wanting to pull this up or do any type of styles, of course you will want to glue it down. You don't have to, it just depends on the style that you're wearing, but I do love the option that you are able to glue it down or not. So make sure to remove all the lace from around the cap, and also make sure the ear tab area around the ear is flat and fits. Then you want to take the adjustable strap and pull it. Now I love this strap because you can take it as tight as you need it to for my small head ladies, or you can loosen it up and don't use it at all to glue it down in the back if you want to, or you don't have to. But if you want to glue it down, this right here is the two things you need. Tape and the lace bond by Kiss Colors is amazing together for hold, girl. So, but I'm just going to use the spray today because I'm trying to do something quick here. But if you wanted that hold, definitely use those two together. I just put you onto something, okay? And you can use those two for the back and the front of the wig. Now once your front hairline is set, you can also do the same method in the back, of course, but because I want to show you how you can wear the back with just the invisible strap today, we're just going to do a style with just the invisible strap. So as you can see, you get that deep parting. You can part all the way down the middle. So if you want to wear two ponytails, you don't have to worry about that mesh center that look like fabric in the center of your head. It's gone. This is all lace. You can also take the time and bleach the entire cap instead of just the front or the nape area. You can also bleach that center part now, and that's what will also help you get that fake scalp look. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you that you can do like this bun type of style. I did like two buns at the top, which is really cute. You can do it all over if you want to, but I just wanted to keep it simple. The thing I really love about this wig the most is that it's comfortable, it's not heavy, it feels really lightweight. So if you are wanting to wear this wig in the heat this summer or spring, you can either go with a shorter density or a longer density, and it's still going to feel very comfortable. So the 150% is what I recommend for your everyday wig. The 180 is a little bit more dramatic, but it's still lightweight and breathable, and as you can see, it's easily styled. Girl, the link will be in the description box. Be sure to go ahead over there and get this wig. I'm telling you, it's so versatile and it's so fun to style your wigs instead of just wearing them down all the time. So the next option you can do is to pull it up into a ponytail. Of course, you can either glue the back down for this, or you can just use the comb, attach it in the back and pull the straps, and you can get a nice high ponytail with this. So flawless, so effortlessly gorgeous. And I love the water wave texture because you don't have to worry about putting heat on your hair. And as you can see, you can also style it up into a high bun. Alright, so I will be sure to put a discount code down below in the description box for you guys if you want to go check out this wig and save. I also will put some information of other videos if you need more help on your install in the description box. Again, this wig is from PrettyLuxHair. There are length options from 12" all the way to 26. Again, you can get it in natural black or natural brown. You have the option for densities, and also the cap sizes can be customized if you contact them if you need a custom size. Be sure to check that description box. Thank you guys so much for watching.